Hi students, welcome back to Know Edge. Today we shall see chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We are in exercise number 3.3, question number 3. Form a pair of linear equations for the following problems and find the solution using substitution method. That's a question. Now here the first part says that the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Here we have the hints for two equations to be formed. The first hint is that the difference between two numbers is 26 and the next one is one number is 3 times the other. Okay, so let's assume the difference between two numbers, see, dash minus dash is equal to 26. This is how it's going to be. Here you have some number and here you have some number. So what will happen? Some number into some number minus some number will be 26. So here let's name this number as x and this one as y. X minus y is equal to 26. Okay, but there is also one more thing given, that one number is 3 times the other, which means that both the number are not equal. So here one is a greater number and one is a lesser number. So let's assume that x is greater and y is lesser. So let the greater number be x and let the lesser number be y. Okay, so our first equation is greater number minus lesser number is equal to 26. So x minus y is equal to 26. One number is 3 times the other. See, you have one number is equal to 3 times the other number. Okay, so now here arises a question as to what you will place here, x or y. See, when you multiply a number by 3, what will happen? That number will become a greater number, right? That number, see, for example, if you have 6 here and you have 2, this is a lesser number and this is your greater number. What will happen? Into 3 will be what? 2 into 3 will be what? 6. So this becomes greater. So that will be equal to this number. So in that way you have to think about the logic that your number on the left hand side should be equal to the number on the right hand side. 2 into 3 will be 6 and here also it is 6 here. Okay, so this is equal to one another. From this what do we understand? So if you have a lesser number here, multiplied by 3 will be a greater number. Got it? So from this, some students, they get confused and they multiply 3 with greater number. What will happen if you multiply 3 with greater number? Will this be equal? For example, you see 6 into 3 is equal to 2. What is 6 into 3? 18 is equal to 2. Are they equal? No. So this is wrong. Okay, so you have to be very careful about this. When once it is given like this, one number is 3 times the other, it means that this operation, if you do this 2 multiplied by 3, this number, this value you get here should be equal to the other value. Okay, so here what is the logic here? Greater number is equal to lesser number into 0. What is a greater number here? We have the greater number as x. So here x is equal to, lesser number is y. So y into 3. Okay, so simplify this. X is equal to 3y. Y into 3 is 3y. So this will be our second equation. Got it? Now here I need not find x in terms of y or y in terms of x, because this equation is already in the form of x in terms of y. Got it? So what we need to do is we directly substitute this to this equation and then find the value of y. So let's substitute. equation number 2 in equation number 1. So what will happen? X is 3y, so 3y minus y is equal to 26. Then 3y minus, this is 1, the coefficient of y here is 1, so 3y minus 1y is 2y is equal to 26. Okay, then y is equal to 26 by 2. This goes 13 times, so y is equal to 13. This is our value. Now we will substitute y is equal to 13 in equation number 2 for finding x. So here substitute y is equal to 13 in equation number 2. So x is equal to 3y here. So if x is equal to 3y, 3 into y is 13. So x is equal to 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. This is our value. You can also replace this y is equal to 13 in equation number 1. Either way, you're going to get the same answers. If we let's try it here. X minus y is 13 is equal to 26. Okay, x is equal to 26 minus 13 becomes plus 13. So x is equal to 39. You're getting the same answer. So you can try it with both any of these equations. I prefer this because the number of steps involved is less. Okay, so these are the values. So let's write the final answer. The two numbers are 39 and 30. Okay, so for an easy learning experience like this, subscribe to my channel. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.